Blue diamond, nature's rarest gem. Blue diamonds, among the rarest and most captivating gemstones on Earth, have captured the imaginations of gem enthusiasts, collectors, and scientists alike. With their mesmerizing hue reminiscent of the depths of the ocean or the vastness of the sky, blue diamonds stand out as unique marvels of nature's artistic prowess. In this article, we delve deep into the world of blue diamonds, exploring their origins, characteristics, notable specimens, and cultural significance. Origins: diamonds, formed deep within the Earth's mantle under intense pressure and temperature, undergo a complex journey to the surface through volcanic eruptions. The presence of trace elements such as boron during their formation gives rise to the stunning blue coloration in diamonds. The scarcity of boron in the Earth's crust contributes to the rarity of blue diamonds, making them exceptionally prized among gemstones. Characteristics: blue diamonds exhibit a range of hues, from pale sky blue to deep, vibrant azure. The intensity of color is influenced by factors such as the concentration of boron and the presence of structural anomalies within the diamond lattice. Unlike other colored diamonds whose color is typically concentrated in certain areas, the coloration in blue diamonds tends to be evenly distributed throughout the stone, adding to their allure. Notable specimens: among the most renowned blue diamonds is the Hope diamond, a 45.52-carat stone with a storied history dating back centuries. Originally mined in India, the Hope diamond is famed for its deep blue coloration and exceptional size. Another notable specimen is the Wittelsbach Graf diamond, a 31.06-carat stone with a rich blue hue, which underwent a meticulous recut by renowned jeweler Lorenz Graf to enhance its brilliance. In recent years, several extraordinary blue diamonds have emerged, captivating the world with their beauty and rarity. These include the Blue Moon diamond, a 12.03-carat stone known for its flawless clarity and vivid blue color, and the Oppenheimer Blue, a 14.62-carat diamond named after its former owner, Sir Philip Oppenheimer, and renowned for its exquisite hue. Cultural significance: blue diamonds have captivated civilizations throughout history, symbolizing wealth, power, and divine favor. In ancient times, blue diamonds were believed to possess mystical properties, offering protection and guidance to their owners. Royalty and aristocracy adorned themselves with blue diamonds as symbols of their status and prestige, further enhancing the gemstone's allure. In modern times, blue diamonds continue to hold a prominent place in popular culture and haute couture. Celebrities and fashion icons adorn themselves with blue diamond jewelry on red carpets and high-profile events, showcasing the timeless elegance and sophistication of these rare gems. Blue diamonds stand as marvels of nature's ingenuity, captivating with their mesmerizing beauty and unparalleled rarity. From their origins deep within the earth to their prominence in human history and culture, blue diamonds continue to fascinate and inspire awe. As symbols of elegance, prestige, and timeless allure, these extraordinary gems will undoubtedly remain cherished treasures for generations to come.